When people hear the phrase estate planning, they often think it's complicated, expensive, or something they'll deal with later. But the truth is, getting started with estate planning is much simpler than most people think. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a clear, step-by-step estate planning checklist so you know exactly what to do first, what comes next, and how to move forward with confidence. Step one is to get clear on what you owned and who you want to protect. Before you think about documents or legal terms, take a few minutes to list your key assets, your home, bank accounts, retirement accounts, life insurance, and anything else of value. Then think about the people in your life. Who would you want to receive your assets? Who would you trust to make decisions for you if you couldn't? And if you have minor children, who would you want to serve as their legal guardian? This step alone puts you ahead of most people. Step two is to decide who will be in charge. Every estate plan involves people you appoint to carry out your wishes. This usually includes an executor to handle your affairs after your death, a trustee if you have a trust, and agents under powers of attorney to handle financial and healthcare decisions if you become incapacitated. Choosing the right people, responsible, trustworthy, and willing to serve, is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Step three is to understand which documents you actually need. For most people, a complete estate plan includes a will and often a living trust, along with financial and medical powers of attorney and a healthcare directive. The right combination depends on your situation, but the key point is this. Estate planning is not just about what happens after you pass away. It's also about protecting you during your lifetime if something unexpected happens. Step four is to organize your information. This is where many people get stuck, but it doesn't have to be difficult. Start gathering basic information, account numbers, property details, beneficiary designations, and contact information for the people you've chosen. Even having this information in one place is a huge step forward and makes the rest of the process much smoother. Step five is to take action and put your plan in place. This is where you move from thinking about estate planning to actually completing it. For most people, that means working with an experienced estate planning attorney who can guide you, prepare the documents, and make sure everything is done correctly based on your state's laws. The important thing is not to wait. An incomplete plan or no plan at all can create unnecessary stress, expense, and complications for your family. Here's the bottom line. Estate planning doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you follow these steps, understand what you have, choose the right people, learn what documents you need, organize your information, and take action, you can move from confusion to clarity much faster than you might expect. If you're ready to take the next step, I've created resources to help you get started, and you can find more information below. The most important thing is this: don't wait. Getting started is easier than you think, and it makes a meaningful difference for the people you care about most.